Cinemagi Honglakli Busaklond Amadi Manipuri Cine actors. To preside over this discussion, I would like to welcome our senior journalist Iche Sonia Sarinsangbam on the stage. She is a state journalist awardee with 20 years of experience, holds a master's degree in history. She has served as panelist in several TV discussions and has a keen interest in cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, please give her a big round of applause for Sonia Surinsangam. And to preside over the discussion as a panelist, I would like to first welcome Surjabala Hijam on the stage. So, better known as Bala Hijam, she is a celebrated Manipuri film actor known for her versatile performances and captivating scene presence. Ladies and gentlemen, after Madam Surbala Hijam, I would like to welcome Miss Soma Laishram, a popular Manipuri actor and model known for her dynamic performances and strong screen and social media presence. Ladies and gentlemen, please give her a big round of applause. And lastly, I would like to welcome Mr. Amar Mayanglangbam, an acclaimed Manipuri actor known for his powerful performances and versatility across diverse roles. Mr. Amar Mayanglangbam, ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big round of applause. To honor our moderator and panelists of the discussions, I would like to welcome Sanju Bachaspatimayum, Festival Director, to please honor our guests with a small token of love. Kagi Festival gi Director Oja Sanju na kagi ngasigi lingbirakli ba kagi panelists me amadi kagi kai khumna bada matik charger ba kagi moderator da kagi chamla ba khudol amakak dambina bagida makning singjari. Ahan bada kagi Madam Sonia da kagi chamla ba khudol si khudol dambina bagning singjari. Mathangda kagi saknai rabi actress Bala Hijam da chamla ba khudol si dambina bagning singjari. Thank you. Mathangda Amar Mayanglangbam da kagi chamla ba khudol si khudol dambina bagida makning singjari. Thank you. Roybada Soma Laishram da Chamla Kudola Si Kudol Tambina Gidam mixing here. Thank you so much. The Mayamna Hosi Korang the Gaineri Burkagi discussion as he home Nabagida Makta Kugi dice as a Kugi Iche Sonia the Kushinazari.
Mayam Punamakpo Kodam Jari Nasidagi Horaka Namit Marini Chupna Koi Manipur State Film Development Society and Manipur State Film and Television Institute na sila ka na koi anirak suba ay koi Imphal International Film Festival asi ngaki pungja pungkaya magi manung da hogadaw gi sem sagre sige hek mamang magtadaw koi ngasi koi organizing committee sina koi topic amakak koi Manipuri cinema gi honglali ba saklon amadi Manipuri cinema actors haiba koi topic kasi pubirar ka na ngasi sangnai raba koi Manipur gi actors sing siga koi panel discussion asi thamjabani aha maktada ai amakana saktak jage Bala Hijam Manipur gi aduki matik saknai raba renowned artist amane actor amani mahaki bung ko haidi film ase ko international award ke afanga karba adugma film amani haiba film aduda ko lead role loriba adugma actor amani haiba film asisu ko closing day gi numisida whole mari makta loina sandoka na miyam da mapungphan on gadori pani amuhan na kogi Bala Hijam mayam na pogminasi lengsim giraksi mathang da kogi yamna ngasi gi yamna lon maman yam nairaba haitara yam maman tangaba akogi Amarium nam siso kogi yam na oina akogi Manipur gi film sing na Manipur gi sima da aduki matik maming chatlaba maming miyam na pamnaraba aduma film kaya da litro lori ba aduma ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯔ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯔ ꯃꯌꯦꯡꯂꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯎꯅ ꯎꯅ ꯇꯔꯨ ꯇꯔꯨꯕꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯗ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯁꯣꯃꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ तसेमक 1972 दगी मणिपुर की फिल्म असी मतम की मणिपुर से हाना हाना पुथोकी मतम दगी होरकांदा हौजि फावदरी मणिपुर की सिनेमा सी सिनेमा की खोंगसत सी सही यांखैनी तो यांखै होम दोयरोम की खोंगसत से लागले अदुगा 2000 अखोगी 1972 मतम की मणिपुर से हेक पुथोक होगिबदगी मतम दगी लेपतना यामना अखोगी याम लिक्प मोंग द पुथोक सरगसु अदुगी मतेक मपांगल लेबा अदुगी फिल्म कोई मणिपुर सिनेमा सी पुथोकांदा 2000 ये अंगन मसरपोक द कोई मणिपुर सिनेमा सी अदुगी मतेक चौखतना वांगना लेकी तयु मसुंग अखोगी होजि होजि अखोगी मणिपुर की लेरिबा लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अमदी मणिपुर की अखोगी मालेंगोइना थेंगनखिबा कोविड पेंडेमिक असिना मरम मोरकांदा मणिपुर की फिल्म से कोई मतम अमदा यामना पुथोंबदो खतंग चांग हंधना लेबगी फिल्म द लेकी अदुमकपो ngasi ngasi mak leiriba manipur gi film gi phibam asida ngasi akoina international film festival asida ngasi akoigi second panel discussion oina pubirakliba manipur gi cinema gi honglakliba saglona amadi manipur gi cine actors haiba akoigi panel discussion ase aidi yamna khanai na bagi matam nam chaba adu yam maram chaba topic na pujai aha makta dai अमर मयंगला ममदा लाक्से अमर आइन होजिक थमजखिबा मणिपुर की सांगलबा चही यांखैनी तोय की खोंगचत 1972 दे हौरकाना होजिक लाइबा चही यांखोनि मणिपुर की खोंगचत से अदुम लेक्तना अदुम लाई सिदैसी सिगी मुक सिग तुंगिनरकांदा अमरदि याम नहा ओइना हजि मसक नाइना फिल्म कया दो खोंग अचौ अचौ रोल से याम नहा ओइना लौग्रे अदुगा हदकी इंटरनेशनल फिल्म असिदसु अमरगी लंगदाई कौब फिल्म असी अकोई उच्चगदोरी बने अदुना होजि करमना अकोई अमरसिना मणिपुरी फिल्म दा करमना अकोई एक्टर मोइना होंदानिंग फावखिबगे अमदि होजि लाइबा अकोई चै यांखैनि थोंगी अकोई फिल्म की खोंगसचे मणिपुरी सिनेमा खोंगससिदा करी सुम मियंग ताबि खनबिबगे हाबे वफमदो अहाममक्ता थंबि
हेलो हेलो आदमक्तदा अखोगी अनीसुब एडिशन अखोगी इम्फाल इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल सिदा सरुक याबिगदबा लिंगशन बिरेबा ख्वाइके बिपुनमक पोय कोकनन खुरुंजरी लेना मांग लिंगशिनबदा सीनियर मोस्ट आर्टिस्ट अदगी फिल्म फैटर्निटी पुलपकी मी म्याम लिंगशन लेबिरे हलमन म्याम मै कोकनन खुरुंजरी थैंक यू चिचे तसेंगना हारगदी सुक्रमा चावरबा अखोगी नॉर्थ की जगह अमद पिक्रब मणिपुर अखोइना सुमाइना फजब फिल्म फेस्टिवल अमखक तौब ngambase सिजु स्टेप बाय स्टेप अखोगी अचौबा अखोगी मांगजिन थारकपदा अचौबा कुमांग चौक्सन बनिना थमजगे अदो हारिबे फेस्टिवल सिदा एज एन एक्टर नौरिबा नहा मखकने मांगद लिंगशिन बिरिबा मयाम अमा फिल्म की जर्नी सिदा ngalinger matam 1972 matam ki manipur cinema leringay matam haurakpadi hauraga tongan digital film gi amuk 2000s tagi la e mangdilin chin bi and da deni ma khogi digital cinema gi pioneer ne haina riba da ni siling chin bi lei bi re legacy amom thambira me haitar film gi journey sida actors mayam ma adagi filmmaker mayam production team mayam houses mayam dagi khogi अचौ अचौब कंपनी मैम फिल्म मैम थम्बिरमे मथंग मथंग लाप काना ngasi अखोइना आगे सेनियर मोस्ट दुम हाइजब तारे बलासु समाज को लेंजलन लेजरे अखोइदि तसेंग हार कांदा होय कला सिदबु पामजरगा चंगकपने एक्टर अमोय ओइगेना फिल्म की मैजिक सिदा ngauजरगा अहन मैम थम्बिरम लेगेसी दु फॉलो तोरगा अखोइना लाक्चबनेबा मोइना गेटवे अम हांगबिरमे मतुंग तारकपदा ngasi ina sumaina haijaba phangi sumaina makha taba generation nasu दामर होय मैं आमने थंबीरम दना कोई से सुमाइना फिल्म कुंभ फंगिने त्रगना फिल्म जे सुमाइना मणिपुरी सिनेमा जे सुमाइना लेइने हैबतो हाय पयाना नबगी तमकता आई हार्न लेवल सोल आई होनागे न खले मणिपुरी सिनेमा बु आई न मीडियम अमा ओइरगा आइना सु था वाना थमजगे न खले तुमाइना अदो सुमाइना हाइजगे हम कनगी
कम कांदगी अखोगी अमरना अखोगी फिल्म गिलम सिदा ihan खोंदा भर सही क्या मुक पारे
तसेंबदि आई एज एन एक्टर ओइबदि आइदि कोइ कोइ यामना 2017 दा सोमागा आइगा तौरगा आइगी ओपोजिट हाइ तारे तोमतेन सिजा फिल्म 2017 दा रिलीज तौवे अदुगा आई तसेंगना हायरगदि आइदि बिहाइंड द सीन दा असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर ओइना वर्क तौजरे मतम 2006 हाइबा तारे आइना क्लास 10 आई क्लास 10 थारे मतम दा क्लास 10 थारे 2006 तगे होरगा हैव बीन learning film mase kamaina tawgadage haidi hojik cinema gi trend da nang cinema kummo on hair aga akhoi khangna chana kumang adugi journey dudi ai gi dina chadre ai gi di being ai de hauna dum follow tawraga mayam da tawbusi dum yeng la aga assistant director oina tongan tongan ba renowned directors mayam maleri moi makha de assistant director oina work tawjare mingoina panjarabada ikai kham jaraba mayam gi legendary filmmaker pawang syam sharma gi makha de assistant oina work tawjare adagi kaka homen diwai gi makha de film ahom school pa khang ngau pa na chingma mayam ai assistant work tawjare ade matang da chawil lai adagi wanglin khundong ba mana 2006 tagi journey se la ba matung aina acting se khangna ba gi da mak to hona charak pane adugi matung dagi di 2017 da ai film ai matam to york pa na hai ga da debut to 2017 da mai to
yamna akogi yamna thagatningai haitare yam angang oringai dagi class 10 dagi hona akogi actor moina role longdringai da assistant director oina ga lorpa adum bagi kanu sidi yam atang haitare ai next round da mun laksage hojiki jaga du koi area do aina khara yam khangning ba yam interesting oiba jaga lai tagum sangai bala do mun laksage bala actor tuna koi mai pak pa mapung phawa actor ne la loyan khanje asiba da laiba manipur film gi khongset asida balana logi ba role sing sida akoi aigi chapchawa character sing to ai loina mak phangba ngame aingon da leiba talent sing do ngasi manipur gi film da in logi ba role sing da loina mak phangba ngamgre na phawra adu kari natragana kari akoi da ho ba leiri ke adi mapang mai pak pa actor mo ba the different roles sing da aina sima di kumning ai sima di walori hai bado adu award pa sing duga karam mai kai gi mention ba ya gari aduga low kriba role sing do adu ai sana yamna haidi mai pa satisfy ore na lobi bra ani si haipetang sigi share kitang to pirang mayam
ahanba maktada mayam pumnam putaram na okchari yamna phajaba question ne chi sonia gi se du yamna su ke haine actor ama oina ko ngasi phawa aina character mayam ama lawrakpasida ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯆꯦ ꯁꯣꯅꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯨꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯁꯥꯅ ꯄꯦꯜꯂꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯇꯆ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯖꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯠꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯅꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯣꯅꯣꯇꯣꯅꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯖꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ social issue
chap manaba yes chap manaba masi kadai da lak ke haib da khoi script writer and a director room tagi character se piraka do
stories
yes stories
social issue da naina se har ga social issue ma ta pangnam da namba adagi khitang si film se am yeng nei ne har atu manga tong nam ani ko adagi khitang family drama kino tawre si film se yeng na re hadi adu amuk lai namnar ani wari khanar ani isai mek aduma ga duga related oba taw khanar ani ko nga ki oina hai tare ne tung koi ga dabagi kino se vision se u da bida ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯛꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯈꯣꯡꯗꯥꯕꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯊꯟꯗꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯪꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯉꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯧꯁꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯁꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ like adagi moina tawisina kaino like khoi differentiate se tawdaba nate khoi su tawine adubu khoi zone du dagi thokpagi kaino se hai tare ne khudong chabadu di phang phang daba aduga adum khoi gi society sina su hai tare ne ko khoi gi kari hai sige zone du dagi thokpada ama adum yamna ꯈꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯜꯂ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯒ ꯊꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯊꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯏꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯊꯨꯡꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯊꯨꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ
ꯑꯦꯁ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯁꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯤल्म ꯈꯔ ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯇꯨꯗ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯒ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯆꯗꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯊꯨꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯨꯝꯃꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯨꯡ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯕꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯌꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯄꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯝꯂꯞꯄ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯁꯦꯇꯤꯁꯐꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯕꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯝꯇꯪꯒ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨ
ꯕꯨꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯅꯧ ꯅꯧꯕ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯣꯔꯦꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯥꯌꯔ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯅꯝꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯨꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯦ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯗ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯄꯥꯎꯡꯁ꯭ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯄꯥꯎꯡꯁ꯭ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯁꯨ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯐꯖꯔꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯣ ꯇꯧꯒꯣ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯡꯁ꯭ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯣꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯕꯨꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯜ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯨꯝꯕꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯕꯂꯥ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯄꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯉꯝꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯩꯖꯤꯡꯄꯣꯠ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯆꯠꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯩꯖꯤꯡꯄꯣꯠꯀꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯤꯟꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇꯨꯗ ꯀꯗꯥꯏ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯇꯣ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯔꯦ ꯆꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯀꯣꯛꯇꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯇꯥꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯐꯗꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯤꯟꯕꯩꯔꯥ ꯋꯥꯕꯩꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯉ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯣꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯁꯥꯗꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ
ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯉ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯅ
ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯉ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯏ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯗꯤ
ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤ
ꯄꯣꯞ ꯍꯦꯛ
ꯄꯣꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ
ꯇꯥꯔꯕ
ꯃꯃꯥ
ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯆ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯆꯠꯇꯨꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯅꯛꯁꯟꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯛꯄꯩꯅꯦꯕ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤꯗ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟꯅꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯂꯛꯁꯃꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯃꯤꯔ ꯈꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯏꯅꯧ ꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯦ 10-20ꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯉꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ
ꯑꯗꯨ
ꯃꯉꯥ
ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯚꯥꯕꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯐꯤल्म ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯍꯩꯔꯦꯕ ꯐꯤल्म ꯀꯩꯅꯣ
ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ
ꯈꯪꯉꯦ
ꯚꯥꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯍꯩꯔꯦꯅ
ꯁꯤꯃꯥ
ꯂꯧꯏ
ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯍꯩꯔꯦꯕ
ꯑꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯈꯤ ꯕꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ
ꯑꯩꯅ
ꯃꯃꯥ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯔꯠꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯐꯤल्मꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯤल्म ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯔꯦꯕ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯕꯨꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯁꯤꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯁꯤꯟ ꯅꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯞꯄꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯐꯤल्म ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯝꯃꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯀꯞꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯀꯣ ꯗꯥꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕꯩ ꯀꯞꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯣ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯌꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯔꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯔꯣꯔꯣ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯏꯅꯦ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯋꯤꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯈꯤꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯁꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯂꯛꯇ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯦꯛꯑꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯇꯨꯗ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯇꯦꯛꯇ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯇꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯟꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯑꯦꯕ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯁꯤꯟ ꯂꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯌꯁꯅꯦꯁꯇꯣ ꯎꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯇꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯁꯟꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯅꯧ ꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯧ ꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯃꯒꯨꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯑꯦꯜ ꯄꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯁ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯛꯇꯅ ꯅꯪ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯍꯟꯊꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯦꯖꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯝꯕꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯦꯖꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯂ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯪꯊꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯈꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯨꯛꯁꯦ ꯅꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯏ ꯐꯤल्मꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯝꯈꯤ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯕꯂꯥꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯁꯤꯟꯖꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯦ ꯃꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯀꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯐꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯕꯂꯥꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯃꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯛꯏ ꯁꯣꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯎꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯤꯗ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯤ ꯁꯣꯃꯥ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯖꯔꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏ
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ and also it's my honor to be a part of a panel discussion ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯗꯦꯗ ꯄꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯖꯕꯁꯦ thank you so much to the organizer and also thank you so much Jay ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯒꯤ ꯖꯔꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯛꯏꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯃꯛ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯡ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯡ entertainmentꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦꯟ ꯃꯇ ꯎꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯅꯤꯡꯕ then ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯕꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯛꯏꯉꯩꯗ ꯃꯥꯏꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯣꯟꯒ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯁꯀ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ then ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ any functions cultural program and also ꯗꯥꯗꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯗꯥꯗꯅꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯊꯤꯌꯦꯇꯔ ꯗꯥꯗꯅꯤ ꯊꯤꯌꯦꯇꯔ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯚꯥꯟꯒꯥꯔꯗꯇ as a theater artist ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯛꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯇꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ 2-3 years ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯑꯦ so ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯨꯔꯗꯔꯁꯟꯗ ꯇꯦꯂꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯁ then anchor and also ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯁꯟꯖꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯇꯤꯚꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯡꯀꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯗꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯦ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯆ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯅ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯔ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯩꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨ ꯀꯩꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯖꯤꯟꯁꯤꯅ so moina dance ki harak banina ina so hoi dance to shu shaning ba ko banina dum sarage ka haraga sara kansa second lead role oiram ba hai tare music video dugi ada da dum music video do so successful oigre next by next so sum la kansa da first movie so yam lai movie adugi album matunga do aina so kan hai tar education da kitang focus to gi na 12th exam no idri bok ai movie imta logi deba so right after my 12th exam first movie phijang marum da directed by Ojabi Mol Sharma magi film se lak bane adu da first journey ne so first movie da lead role adum secondary role hai tare ko chebe naugi machanupi sai machanupi se aiga yambung kai kuga kano oi bane ko act bane that's my first film but adu the yoribo actor sing the chebe now dagokol dasadananda yambung kai ku pura packed perfect nga tade ko moi myam se I was so literally so scared I do ke do no khangde aduga hoi mamang da pi ngai da drama lila mayam macha macha sum tawzara so that's a children program the big film big screen the lak padadi ai do ketang pakhala kanda script PVO hai bako moina so angang so oi badina ai khara practice taw ko kang harga producer na so I say acting gi han manak ta khara thai 2-3 days mo so I try to cop up aduga ahing nung dang khak ta ina script to pa bada haidi aina kai tare prom kai hozik Manipur film the prom to wadu to ise matam du adu kaino ka khangdri ba so I thought ki like script to loi pula phaga da bane khot ka da bane I say I don't like pa bita para acting je mi je manak ta changa ga acting ang tawdane sa mama is a doctor man because I'm going to play a doctor no family can notice like do first shooting gi han begi scene ge kanam se Sikkim da however ko Manipal yeah Manipal University ada I was so scared and I hing to that yamukai ko ga baga swaina scene se namni have I tum de with para ga leire but akhoi gi senior actor artist me am se ko they are very supportive aina swaina ha bane khot bane have the moina support so yam to bi re adum na bu film do adum ha boy rasu mayam na sum kano comment to bi rak pada suggest pirak pada yamna kana to go mande khote kan appreciate yam to bi re ko so I'm very thankful to all my senior actors of that movie then director those smile sum taraga mathang film se lai film se journey se adum je ID main role so lower a side role so lower a villain role so dum pizza da dum phatta vi dum sar but that's my favorite role adum sare makal sauze nungai rak pa hai tare ko aduga aina khogi Manipuri film sida sum kinoma na traga kinoma se experience tong ni hoi film se khoi artist su yam de ko Manipur da de adi dumbala soma amar adigi yambung da deni da ko kulwana khoi mari manga sina dum film chahim da puthoi ba 30-40 films dum nei doine ba khoi mari manga sina aduna film puthorak pa di asomlam da di character se naraga even looks change tawraga kholaga yang waman hona puthoktra bara khoi gi de dui matam da sung lei treba ngasi na ba shooting chalani hore nung dang nai chuna to pai chen toine ba because film je khoi sida di release hana date lepaga film namme ba so release date to nang na ba chela khoi film shoot to news adu duna khoi gi acting gi da oiro looks to oiro whole film gi pattern na ma da kinoma adum look hole amadi loina uba phangba do si look hole se leitar ga su akhoi gi Manipur gi filmmaker then production team artist sing sam thina hayena khale ba uhan da bidodum bhabuk pela lisine ba hozik chahi se am ba se I really appreciate aduna hozi khoi gi Manipur da ngasi international film festival ga toise yam tina laibak pha bane for all the generations because we have many had upcoming filmmakers and then artists mayamama then the film enthusiasts mayamam leidana ko moi gi di experience a phaba platform amane basi se akhoi gi dadi yam thengna phanga ba hai tar ko na travel yam thengna phangba so aina haijaga da badi I'm not a very perfect actor I is a perfect way high busu ngamjadri because khoina pamjaba kaino do huji phok pa phangdri na khale che
ngasai character ki ama
talking
different
about
character
the-
me ama
yeah.
photo pangam bagi platform do fangabra hai batu adu ada matang do kitang takpiramo do
adudi sungphang phangdri che
ngasai balance role amadi lowre na habi re adagi child artist amaga lowre adu idadi different role phawdi khatang
see society se le is a different personalities mayam am nei ba ko mi amamam gi wari tungan tungan doi ne ba maybe he's a doctor, maybe he's an engineer, or maybe a rickshaw driver, or maybe entrepreneur natraga hingjang yoli ba mi mayam to gi wari amamam loi leiram doi ne ba ado means na film yeng is moi gi something connection leira kan si the films mi se he ne yeng ning ba pok tro ado akoi na huzik mainly aina kumjarak power manipur artist sing akumi ba role si di someone like family drama, then love affairs, then hoi kanogi women gida based abako violence gida
balance against woman
yeah violence against women sungu mayam se leire but si mayam se loi tok thokraga society se da mi amam gi wari makhal makhal mayam leiba si mayam sa khoi mi amam du character amam du loi play taw ngam ba di kanam ta ngam dri ba ngam sungam moi ba adong si ngam se it's all about the script writer.
yes adu ni akoina suggestion
Script writers in a not just trending or riba nga saiba lana supan giba trending lay riba stories ida based out riba somehow out of the box. Maybe he can write a story lay magi matang na suwari irak pa yai na or maybe about a dog or animals anything. Hadi perspective se kitang tungan uhalak pa hai tar adu akhoi gi audience na si accept to ni to roi habegi khoi da kano su doubt pudi me am lai rakani ko but audience the experience akhoi ano option ba try to se ki roi da bane hai ba ma su change ba ki haning de bai di not just about love affairs ki wari film drama nupa nupi ot pa mamong ot pa adigi nupa nupi kaina gi ba sigil lila sa nataba
itop topa maru
Itop topa.
haidi kanigo mamta ai thamjauge so because akoi gi manipur gi khunai si akoi ai di wari simbun kaya na nungshirba mayama thodoba thoki wari mayama na thallaba adugumba lamdam amane khalle maru madu nai di akoi gi script writers sing se moina su khalang ngani ai gi script se iro kanda market lai roidra producer na ka lobi roidra ka haibo wafam mabsul leram ba yai aduna ai gi akhal di apa script mayama tho kanda matam amada hari 1972 ki matang gi manipur se imagi ni themna ga international gi fidara ga phangmang ngam sumaina akhoi da su kari do makta phaja phaja ba even now your filmmakers may am thola bani story may am phangani khanle aduna telen leira maruina ngasi election bi riba panelist me am se akhoi thoido hen do na tongan ba masagi taseng na ba da akhoi gi state asida film gi acting tamdana bagi institution kaina course diploma ga tamhung ka sulai banate aina taja ba television institute ama lai course le sida adu so only short term course kumba ma toy asigumba course amata tamdana pamjabana hemandana ngasidi pamjabana henjaba dagi ngasai bingsen mamang da khare acting to mayam sina to phudok chara kana ngasidi malem gi thakta pagi achoma manipur ki film gi cinema gi phida ma dung kan baji leptana lai ne ba bala soma and amar aduna maram aduna leptan hona view aina last oina haijening mase taseng na ga de koi matam se am logjening mane sona kan inaugural pagi international film festival gi inaugural gi hongna na bagi matam je ngai bi kitang kaisal aba aduna ai kitang tension jamba da waro biro ena khale adu tasena make de koi 45 minutes thamjabane interaction gi program audience gi da so 15 minutes ma thamjabane punamak se akoi gi schedule se kitang thengthana hogi bagi punamak na ngakpi gani lengsin bira punama se ngasi gi da makta de organizing committee dagi mai kai dagi hanna thagachari matung tabada afaba cinema mai talent leiraba akogi mai gi character pu mangai ngam maya ma film pu tho kanda akogi malem da film festival ke ada lepa leitana akogi phida chau phangma ngam masunu haibo phamasi haijabaga loijana loina na akogi ngasi dagi hogadoriba international akogi Imphal international festival asi film festival asi mai park na ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞ ꯈꯔꯗꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯄꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ
Thagachari, senior journalist Iche Sonia Soren Sangbam. Adubu, aikoise ngasigi discussion se loshilakching ai da khogi panelists sidagi have tare panelist ki da koi tinbirba miyam na khoi question question karigumba khoina hangmingba question gumba leragadi related to the topic karigumba question gumba lebiragadi question hangbagi tanja amatang lojage.
ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯣꯅ ꯆꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯁꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯋꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯏꯖꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯪꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯄꯦꯅꯦꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯚꯣꯂꯟꯇꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯨꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ
Hello. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯇꯣꯡꯕꯝ ꯕꯔꯁꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯇꯔ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯒ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯀꯃꯔꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯤꯌꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯩ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯃꯔꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯨꯝꯃꯨꯔꯒ ꯊꯤꯌꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯃꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯤꯔꯝꯗꯧꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯀꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯒꯦ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Mr. Kanadagi Tabining isigi answer se.
ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯨꯂꯞꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯝꯕꯤꯕꯁꯨ
ꯕꯂꯥ
ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯊꯤꯌꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯎꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯎꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯃꯔꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯎꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ
ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯊꯤꯌꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯖꯩꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯅꯝꯅꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯔꯤꯍꯔꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯊꯤꯌꯦꯇꯔꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯔꯤꯍꯔꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯖꯩ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯋꯥꯅꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯋꯥꯅꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯡ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯦꯞꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯌꯁ ꯐꯤल्म ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯅꯝꯅꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯥꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯐꯤल्म ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯍꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯐꯤल्म ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯍꯩꯅꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯛꯄꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯝꯃꯨꯕ ꯐꯤल्म ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡ ꯇꯝꯃꯨꯕ ꯃꯦꯀꯞꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭री ꯀꯣꯁꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭री ꯐꯤꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯣꯔꯁꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯔ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯥꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯗꯤꯖꯤꯇꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣ ꯇꯤ ꯇꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯩꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣ ꯇꯤ ꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯩꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯥꯀꯥꯟꯇꯁꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯋꯥꯟꯅꯦꯁ ꯐꯦꯞ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯌꯪ ꯐꯤल्म ꯃꯦꯀꯔ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯩ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤल्म ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯥꯌꯔ different from the rest of what's being made in Manipur. So sigumba sida khut thanarakpa haitare ado aduki matik yamna thina chauthok chaningai ne khoi actor am oina adune adumain tawbane aduga mathangi ani shuba amasu yaugibne mai question do okay o award changba yaba film am namge haitare kai requirement ka ta haibase like sai matang sidane ko sigi se every artist khudingmakna yamna khangadabane ko filmmaker khaktana sigi reason je khangadabana te ko every artist khudingmak su khangadabane like even ai isa bawa adu mapung phana khangba yawjadri haina khalline ko moigi keno rules me amam laigre award habdi karamba area gi keno oidono nangna namgadoriba film se national la international la ko haiba duma adumaina examine tawgadaba aduga mai criteria me amam laigre C format oigadabani sumain tawgadabani adagi adumai laigre akoi sumaina kitang serious oina nambiyo habanida award hajan ge hai tardi serious oibiyu character nai nabiyu adagi film dogi story se adukimatik internationally mi pung khudimang na pithribis da loan mayam ama ngangnari ba mi myam sna yengbada accept tawradabra means yaradabra ko koi quality se du yawradabra standard se du maintain tawradabra haiba masi mayam am change adune adu gi matung ina budget su dum chawkani paise leiroi na budget to leitamni na haiba international national kai phagi na teba ko film making se aduna khitang change ko paisa su hai tar
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯏꯁꯥꯀꯥꯟꯇ ꯑꯀꯥꯁꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯤꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯝꯕꯤꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯪꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯃꯥ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯌꯦꯡꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯞꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯅꯣꯛꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯕꯂꯥꯅ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯔꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯀꯞꯇꯩꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯇꯝꯒꯦꯕꯨ ꯈꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯜꯂꯒꯀꯣ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯞꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ
excuse me for I amtanga repeat tawjage haidi exactly haidi hojiki question dugi main executive hai tar edu
ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯀꯅꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯣ ꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯣ ꯍꯣꯡꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯖꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯅꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯦꯕ ꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯦꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯒꯤꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯒꯦ
see thank you question haidi aina lawjaw yam khomningbo question am su oi adagi answer to the kitang satisfied or pi or the bi but hopefully kitang da resu phangbi ba yeng bi ko da mayam na haine film se already a mass media to connect with the audience and high because certain messages mayam am yauri film am number kan da so what we are trying to do akoina hojik to isna kaino har kan yeah we're going to make a film akoina character ma har se ko portrait outdore adu character tuna connecting compulsory torkani ba ayo perspective ta haija betare because character ma sarani na audience na yeng product connected dum torkani da but kainogi lakpa kan di hariba reality da hariba asengba reality to tho iba mi du da kana gomba say drug abuse hari someone who is yamna achoba victim mo oiriba drug ki haitare ko mangonda magi family to the people ngamrak to say I did a real do the actor rupane homework kar toroga but somehow adugi family natragna character the magi mamanam pana madi reality the thengnaraga leram modoine ba magi macha se sumaina drug chaba se natragna already say for example sing marak thanam ka haijage da aina portrait of the film balaga ek to mina ki ba aina cancer leukemia patient sa ki ba sigi film sida I homework मैम तौवे कैंसर पेशेंट जगह माइना तौबोनो हारकन इवन I saved अहिंगी पुंग अनि अहुम तारक मतन दै लुकोक थोइने हाइदि फिल्म दुगी दमकता हाइतारे मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट की अदुदा feedback लाको मैम सिदा ममा लेगिदबा कैंसर न मरम मोइरगा लु लोइ कोक थोगा अदुगी मैम मनाउ नुपा लेगिदबा सिंगो मैम से कनेक्ट तो बंगमगा एंगोन मेसेज लाकपा थवइनो उनारगा एंगोन मोइना कप्पगा वरी लिउजे सो somewhere एंगोन द कनेक्ट लाखरेवदा हाइदि कनेक्शन दो अदुदा लैयबा रियलिटी अमसुंग आइना तोरिबा रील्स तुगा likewise atopa any topic amada for example Priyakanta Lengchen lebire to everyone I dum haise ke Priyakanta has give us a very big massive success or a message or a oneness magi am pireko so I'm really proud of you adu connect to wangam me haidi hiding ido mi manung shibagi hai tar societies de lemina vakansi connect to rai ngam me ba so to make a film connect on bagi damakta we need to have a good script we need to have a very good production house we need to have a lamjing godori ba director se he has to be very strong akhoi ju plot lamjing ga chatpa ngam gada ba aduna da soidan magi connect to bangam gani na khali reality da so thank you
사제 change tawba babok singna reality da change tawra pra habi tan thabiyo da
See, that depends on the person who is watching it. Because akoina we tried our level best ki see say societies the phatte societies see phai have se akoina di akoi ki side di amtina best level the honor ani bako. When they see the movie se yenga ko matam da moina low badi yengi mitna di urani ba moina khansu khallani moina to se singai phatre have se they will realize it but adugi realization do lakpadi adum ngam gani and I'm sure ngam zungam me adugi duna impact pi bra moigi akhoi film den changes lak bra have that depends on the person because we are not god ishor mang na su change taw ngam dra bane doctor na su change taw ngam dra or any person xyz who is superior to that person ngam dra bane but akhoi gi side ta gi we tried our best aduga of course tapong ang gani but changes to the me to matungin hani
mayam interaction ni kano sima koi lotion jage aduga aroi ba round oina last round oina koi ngasi dagi hori ba anirak shuba koi Imphal International Film Festival se sidai sida kitang wish to ba loina na wai amani dang phungdok mayam among dang phungdok
Yariba. Ani Shuba, Ikogi Imphal International Film Festival. See, we wish ke adum matung taba da hena ko 50th kasuraga 60th kasuraga adum leptana adum tawbiba akoigi hoy
leptana
adum
pangthol
tawbiba
leba
akoina khurum jai se ko have the somewhat film phaza ba nam dana atopa international atopa lamgi international film festival laga thazan dana dagi koi leidana sumaina dum khoi gi manipuri film se grow tawraga khoi manipuri gi unique oiba wari mayam se khoi prithvi da leiriba mipum khuding makta khoi uhallaga yenghallaga aina keno da Vancouver da chatlubo da handa adu da moina hai hawe bung se yeng kanda moi Pakistani director lai Pakistani gi moi film se Oscar ken nominee change ba ko adu gi film se beat tawraga akhoi gi bung sina tari neba Canada gi sida aduna moina hai akhoi di keno Bollywood hairaga Indian film hairaga Shahrukh Khan Salman Khan dang ure sumaina tawbum India
last
da
one
leiram
round
gani have se
India gi kwaigi adum sum apik pa state gi ga thola
jinjala ga hai ba aduma har ko ai do thakale ba habdi khumbam khangde ba habdi thank you ka hairaga dum tok bido khumbam khangdraga moi di ya kar ha yenge ba film se habdi khoi gi leiba lifestyle khoi gi yumba lon ke je ut labani na moi hai we thought ki like Indian film se Bollywood tang ure sumain leibra atopa film yengninge atopa film gi link thar o kholo hai ai tha na ba link thabang khangde ba khara di hairam me ko aduga basic info ma di dum intro tor me ko mani film just my hora kim ni kolam kim ne kai to adune my tor me
yam nungai
kai
je
makok ta kai hai kim ne ka
ngasi dagi hori ba akogi anirak suba akogi international film festival se sida wish to biro
Hoi, hena adum mathang suma festival se adum pangthok piyo ko Manipur da lepa laitana Manipur film bu inot hapkat piyo artist afaba story writer afaba khoigi tongan ba khoigi uniqueness oiba khoigi ima laibak sana laibak Manipur se mayam saktak ba khoi lep kum se hajani
thank you matang amarsu international film festival se kram wish to biro mo kari haning ba mon masam te sodum biro
Sonia, thank you so much. I say sang tang chau riba ibu panelist ne kain. Aseng with daddy ni lengchang le daddy ni na phom ga se chida ai na phaman ba je yam kai je mang ga tare ka phomjal le ko. Anyway, thank you for giving me this beautiful moment. Definitely I'm going to remember this I life that always cherish store le ni ai ta isi moment se. Ani subai di akhoi pangthoi ba akhoi Imphal International Film Festival se mathangi dasu humpu suba chama suba international akhoi Imphal International Film Festival so amar mayang lamam do panelist oina lai ha do oijake adu matam do phawba aduna maroina already mangling sim biri bada ni adagi da jadi soma bala de pia kan talo imax they already experience later ba haidi film da ko myang work story bane dadi ni ne piram do maina ngasai na legacy na happy budo da da win tham biram bane Hojik ba youngs mayam mama hai tare ding aside focus in noidang hatane because this is a golden opportunity for you all to learn something from this festival. So I hope you're gonna learn. Yam na cho boke hai tare ko mayam ma tammang amni na khalle. Chatmina se koi hodang ai ri koi juno gi face to the lady ni. Aduna explore to gada yam whatly excel to gada ba. Na loina ma chatmina ra film sigi festival dagi ai simati tam hui he. Ai simati smaina yare. Have to come in the scene as my thumbs. Thank you so much.
thank you soma lai sum na so wish masam ta pibira makanda festival sige matang da wapam da panbiram
Festival sigi matag se. Moina suloi haido kreko haiga da ba main objective sorry I say kano ga loi fumble da ba hori ozik se. Aim hai tare ko habedi akhoi Manipur Film Development Society sina kari gino khagi International Film Festival ga Manipur daga silai because Manipur da lai ba film bu pamjaba film bu nungsi jaba the film the career oina phajana professionally work tawning ma am the big opportunity amane so si manghan biganu film festival se mapung phana hada ki su yaumina si duga lakadori ba chahi sida so koi adum sogat mina gi si Manipur ge film yamna chokhat ba yamna phajaba national international level da okka hena akhoi gi mai utpa ba film ama sagat mina si haininge akhoi especially to all the young generations mayam sida Gen Z hai dare ko no mayam da ko thank you so much and thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much.
Ngasige nungai reba kogi panel discussion asida yamna adi tangleba matam kai thok piraka da lengsin birapa sorya bibgani makta ngasigi panelist mayam bu show organizing committee dagi hanana khorum jari thagachari aduga aroi boy na ngasi panelist na thambiram bising asi mapung pha ba phajaba film mayam puthona bahona bada apa script adi mating laiba director Puramaxi, team work wina, okay, Tabak Tominarakanda, Manipurgi, okay, 1972 the live Manipurgi, Munaida Laiba, Yana Laiba, Manipurgi, Filangi Kongchatase, Adam Hanbalaitana, as you Mahata and Adam Satar Kane have a Satam Jabagolina, Nasi panel discussion Nasi, Matan solution and by Tanzalums. Thank you, my uncle.
Thank you so much, Ichi Sonia. Thank you so much, Bala Amadi, Amar Myang Lambum. We am honest, so I am authentic of a conversation. I hope you all enjoyed it. Akoigi ngasigi panel discussion solution lecturing ay gi mangoy na havetar akoigi organizing thing the small token of love koigi Imphal second edition International Film Festival gi icon dam oire by koigi Manipuri poni gi mementos amadi koigi festival kits mayam se koigi panelists amadi moderators the cushion na bagi damakta kokshin jari Mr. James Kangembam, the office organizer EIIFF. Ahanbada akogi Oja James na akogi moderator oibiriba akogi Iche Sonia Soren Sangbamda akogi memento madi festival kitse cushion naba ingsingjari. Jango jang. Ahanbada akogi Oja James na akogi Iche Sonia Soren Sangbam senior journalist da akogi memento madi festival kitse cushion naba ingsingjari. ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯟꯇꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯀꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯖꯦꯝꯁꯅ ꯁꯨꯔꯖꯕꯂꯥ ꯍꯤꯖꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯕꯂꯥ ꯍꯤꯖꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯦꯟꯇꯣ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯀꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯡ ꯂꯥꯡꯕꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big round of applause. ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯀꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯦꯟꯇꯣ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯁꯣꯃꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of our industrial engagement events for the day. Please, however, we have a great opening ceremony for the second edition of Equigi Imphal International Film Festival 2025 coming up upstairs. Equigi Imphal International Film Festival grand opening.
Palimgiya thang illabi singil nang di lay nung si ho lay nung si Palimgiya thang illabi singil nang di lay nung si ho lay nung si Layrangi nay na tawadi Layrangi nay na tawadi San ho'y libu man bilay ho man bilay Layrang manapong ligay Layrang manapong ligay Ningulgi pisa di man bilay ho man bilay Layrang na phugay na salag Layrang na phugay na salag Lai jitharu man bilay ho man bilay ho man bilay ho man bilay Ibong na hawda kahiba Haugina panthong yauraga Karangi laishu angang balang lagu Ibong na hawda kahiba Haugina panthong yauraga Karangi laishu angang balang lagu Lababudi marangi Lababudi marangi Labog na lang yay kairibi Nura na oy binusibi Bakang na oy maayuna Singil na layrang pirang pirang Sanaw na layrang kairang kairang Lúc ta không bán thì số mi Karina nungi subarno ho hayuda ho hayuda Hamdu na suka na rồi Hamdu na suka na rồi Itay na nga rong hanbagi Itay na nga rong hanbagi Charay na piwo na nga hinatsak na nambagi Ho subani Ho subani Ho subani Ho subani ꯐꯖꯕꯤ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯔꯦ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯤꯕꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯂꯝ ꯃꯥꯄꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯕꯤꯅ ꯄꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯖꯕꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯔꯩ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯔꯩ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯅꯤ Riya 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 re hai Riya 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 re hai Riya 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 re hai Riya riya Nura phibul Ngai roi ching Ngai roi ching Lai bung thau na hun la ga Lai nu ra na op lau ching Lai nu ra na hun la ga Lai bung thau na op lau ching Lai bung na mat ta Hai hai lai bung na mat ta Hai hai lai bung na mat ta Lai bung na mat ta pha bar Koi ri na san na lai pak ni Koi ri na san na lai pak ni Ri 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 Noi 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 Ri 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 Noi 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 Ri 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 Noi 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 noi
Now, in continuation, may I invite the Commissioner of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, Sri Mongjam Joy Singh, IAS, to deliver the welcome address. And before that, we'd like to request our respected Commissioner, sir, to give us a moment to honor and felicitate you. And to do the honor, we'd like to request our respected Secretary, Manipur State Film Development Society, and our Festival Director, Sir B. Sunju Sharma.
Festival Director Wina Choba responsibility Lawiba Winina and the KSK Secretary Subiba. Nobody can cut so
So we kindly request to share your words with us. Now the stage is all yours.
Very good afternoon, everyone. On this auspicious occasion, inaugural ceremony of the second Ekhogi Imphal International Film Festival 2025, I would like to take a moment to welcome and extend my gratitude to everyone. First of all, it is my great privilege to welcome Dr. Sapom Ranjan Singh, Honorable Minister Health and Family Welfare and IPR, Government of Manipur. Sir, we are extremely honored to have you here as the chief guest of today's August function. Thank you, sir, for blessing the dais and also for your everlasting inspiration and guidance. Next, I extend my warm welcome to Sri Haribam Shyam Sharma, Doyen of Manipur Cinema, who is gracing today's function as the special guest. I will not amount to exhibition to state that Paung Shyam is the pride of not only Manipuri cinema, but also Indian cinema. Let me also accord warm welcome to Sir Prasant Kumar Singh, IAS Chief Secretary Government of Manipur, who is presiding over today's inaugural function. Sir, we continue to look up to you for your kind guidance and inspiration. Taking this opportunity, I would also like to extend my deepest gratitude to all our jury members, filmmakers, collaborators, partners, and supporters who have made this festival possible. Your unwavering belief in the power of cinema fuels our commitment to creating a festival that not only showcases films but also nurture an ecosystem where cinema thrives. This festival is more than just a platform for screening films. It is a testament in bridging cultures and preserving memories. We take immense pride in curating space where diverse voices, regional, national, global, comes together, fostering dialogue and appreciation for the magic of cinema. As we begin this exciting festival, I invite each one of you to immerse yourselves in the film, engage in thought-provoking discussions, and celebrate the spirit of storytelling that unites us all. Last but not least, I would also welcome all the brothers and sisters of the media fraternities who have gathered here to cover this special occasion. Once again, I welcome all of you. Thank you very much and enjoy the festival. Thank you.
ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯝꯖꯤꯠ ꯁꯤꯡ Commissioner Art and Culture ꯉꯥꯡꯐꯩ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Every great endeavor has a visionary at his helm, someone who dares to dream, who brings people together, and who ensures that ideas take flight. The Equity Imphal
Honorable Minister of Health, Family Welfare and Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur, Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, esteemed special guests of the opening ceremony, Anibmo Mingoina Panjaravada, Babung Sri Aribam Sam Sharma, the doyen of Manipur cinema, respected Sri P.K. Singh, our dynamic Chief Secretary of Manipur, and the Chairman of the Organizing Committee of the Second Equity Imphal International Film Festival IF 2024-25, and all participating filmmakers, juries, distinguished film personalities, industry professionals from across the nation and beyond. Dear friends from the media present here, Kurumjari. IF 2025 is a vision brought to life by the Manipur State Film and Development Society and the Manipur State Film and Television Institute under the aegis of Art and Culture Department, Government of Manipur, in collaboration with National Film Development Corporation, NFDC, Ministry of INB, Government of Manipur, Government of India. It stands as a testimony to the commitment of our Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh, who, as a chairman of Manipur State Film Development Society, has been instrumental in fostering a thriving cinematic ecosystem in Manipur and the Northeast. At a time when there exists an apprehension about visiting Manipur, fondly called the land of jewels, that celebrates independence of immersive art practices with courage, empathy, and formal innovation, IF is overwhelmed by the solidarity shown by the creative community from across the country and beyond. Thank you, friends, for sharing your stories, your unique response to reality, love and empathy you set to advocate over underlying tremor and mistrust. Your presence here reinforced the belief that cinema has the power to unite, to heal, and to inspire. We love you all. This festival is a celebration of inclusivity and a shared love for the art of motion picture storytelling, offering a space to reconcile, to dream, and to build a hopeful future where people and the natural world are in the center of simulation. Over the next 4 days, IF 2025 promises an enriching experience. Lab, where 8 non-fiction and 5 fiction projects have been nurtured by mentors for achieving refined cinematic language. I'm delighted to share that this year's project across both fiction and non-fiction labs reflect a deep connection for the past while exploring the contemporary experience with curiosity and compelling perspective. I firmly believe that with continued support from the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, and the Government of Manipur, the Government of Delhi, the Government of Tripura, and various institutes, IF will play a key role in shaping the future of cinema in the region, cultivating a new voice and strengthening our storytelling traditions. Thank you, Gurumjari. Enjoy this festival of storytelling on our lost times, unshaken memories, and historical reflection on to the esteemed guests from outside Manipur. I hope you will take back with you not just stories from our land, but also the warmth of Manipuri hospitality, our spirit of inclusivity, and breathtaking beauty of our landscape. Thank you.
B. Sanju Sharma, Festival Director of Bibalonina, Manipur Film Development Society ki Secretary Wednesday Talk Biriba, Nasi Pantuk Saliba, Festival ki Pantuk Sabat Torongi, Yamaruiba, Wapum, keynote address, Tamiramba, Nampelitan Tagas of Pantuk.
May I now have the privilege to request our respected dignitaries on the dais to release the festival industry catalog, the festival catalog, and the festival bulletin, the Equigi Delhi.
Asigi, election Biriba, chief guest, special guest, Amadi, President, Ahumna, Maruina Pagi, Festival Media Silna, Yamna, Pajana Pajana, Panajabani, Sigi, Pilongi, preparations Miamsi, Maruna, Equigi Delhi, second Equigi Impal International Film Festival, Sigi, Maruiba, Tungan Babu, Amadi, Industry Events, Unamasi Official, Release of Malapri Bokai Punmuki, Mandani, Pongusere, and the dignitary Punumpunga Bilitan Tax of Pongusere.
The festival bulletin, called the Equigi Day, will be published daily till the end of this festival. Thank you so much, respected dignitaries, for doing the honor. And we now move to the felicitation of the independent jury members whose unbiased judgment and discerning eye have been instrumental in selecting the best films for this festival. Their dedication to upholding the values of cinematic excellence has been invaluable. We express our deepest gratitude for their contribution to the success of this event.
Patok Festival City, Tongan film entry film yengba haibasimak laparibu kaipun mongut film kangbire. Si film review to haibasimak araya tabak ngwai na juru singi role and responsibility siya suki batik chawai. Ano group na inside pali film yengbagi aduga pali pupa film kanba haibasimak yam chawba achawba more tactical weba yam luba masi tabak amari hairiba tabak si isada sok tabak awaba leitana. adugma paraba film sing khana ro bana bada am chaw effort hadu biki ba independent jury sing ngasi ki tanja si lobjere gani ikai kumna se bok chabagi tanja ma sinjeri bigi mai kai digi hoji lobjere.
And to do the honor, may I request our respected chief guest of today's function, Honorable Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh. And first of all, would like to have the presence of Miss Indu Shrikant Natpeg. Your kind presence on the dais and to give us a moment to honor and felicitate you, ma'am.
Miss Hindu Srikant Netpeki India ki founder ni aduga hai Netpek India is subsi promotion of Asian cinema Pan Asian Cultural Organization based in Singapore. Waibiba ado Wajiki festival si Mountain Wahana Joba Yamna Choba role responsibility logiba the film appreciation course, workshops, retrospection, tungan ba kayama sinbiba Yamna Sapnai Rabi Miss Hindu Srikant ni.
Ms. Sindhu, one of the founder members of Netpeg India, help in organizing film appreciation courses, screenplay workshops, film weeks from Asian countries, South Korea, Iran, Turkey, and retrospectives of filmmakers like Omar Kabur from Turkey, Prashana Vidnagi from Sri Lanka. She has attended and served as a juror at several international film festivals, Istanbul, Somalia, Berlin, Busan, Locarno, Veshon, Brisbane, Jeonju, and Cinemalaya. And next, we'd like to request our respected jury, Manoj Barpujari Fepreski.
Manoj Barpujari 2011 की National Film Awards Hariba Awards ida Swarna Kamal Award Hambungam Laba Saknai Raba Film Personality Amani Ariana being a film critic and a Best Film Critic Awards Hambungam Laba Aduga International Film Festival Kayagi Jury Wabiru Raba Tongan country Zatana Jury Wabiru Raba Aduga India ki Tongan International Film Festival Kayatasu Saruki Abiba Yamna expertise wherever film criticism and appreciation that's schematic sample laba saknai laba film personality ni Manoj Barpujari.
Manoj Barpujari received Swarna Kamal for the Best Film Critic at the National Film Awards 2011. He served on various international film festival juries, namely Busan, Hong Kong, Almaty, Makkah, Port of Spain, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, etc. He is a journalist and a renowned Assamese poet. He conducted workshops on film criticism and film appreciation in different institutions, including University of West Indies, and wrote widely in reputed publications. And next, we have Megha Chandra Kumbam Fepreski. We'd like to have your kind presence on the dais and give us a moment to honor and felicitate you, sir.
Sri Megha Chandra Kumbam. Manipur ki tang beshet ni, film critic ni, film academician ni, and film activist ni. Swarna Kamal Award for the Best Film Critic in 63rd National Film Awards in 2015. Hanggang laba, saknai laba, Kang Laba Manipur ki film critic ni. Hausi Film Society of Manipur ki President wina Thau Pobiri. Tungan film articles kaya igre aduga maru wina magi publication kaya magazine kaya national ki aduga international ki level da hakta Hongo Pangam laba Manipur ki asuki matik film ki maramda Kanglaba Hydra versus Walk Etna Togiriba, Saknairaba, Siri makes the Puma.
Thank you very much. And now we have respected Sir Ashok Rani Fibreski.
Would like to have your presence on the dais, sir. Ashok Rani is a well-known film critic, historian, academician, writer, and documentary maker. He has 9 books to his credit, out of which 2 were awarded national awards. He has 8 documentaries to his credit, of which 2 have received national awards in international film festivals and 1 received a national award. He is also a recipient of a national award as a film critic. He is ex-festival director of Filmingo International Short Film Festival and Ajanta Ellora International Film Festival. He has participated in more than 200 festivals in various capacities. He has been teaching cinema for more than 3 decades.
Independent
Thank you, sir.
Jury Shingi. Tongan ba area dani hiramda mating pangbikiba juri wana lengsin bikiba kai khumjeriba ponumak ngasigi ekoi Imphal International Film Festival 2025 hauduk sabagi thorumda taramna ukchaba aduga tawimal khangba uchaba oina sinjaribegi maike degi kariguma kharadang khudol tamjedana kai khumnajo uchabagi tanja bibiba ngamkhalitana thagsaba phongdokchari.
Now moving forward, it is with great humility and respect that I invite Pabung Shyam Sharma, the revered doyen of Manipuri cinema, to address us.
Thank you. Respected Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, Honorable Minister, Manipur, today's Chief Guest, and Sri P.K. Singh, Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, President of this function, and the organizers of this festival, Manipur State Film Development Society and Manipur State Film and Television Institute, Sanju Ibungo Sanju Bajaspati Beum, Ibungo Alexander, and invitees, ladies and gentlemen, film artists, technicians, and especially the jury members, very eminent jury members who have come down to Imphal and make this film festival a success. Yes, I welcome you all to this festival and to Imphal. Imphal, you know, whenever we say Imphal, it reminds me a day, very important day, the 10th May 1942. The first bombing of Japan, Japanese bombing, happens here in Imphal. That day, actually I was very young, I was a child. I was playing in the courtyard of my house. I saw this silver type of bird, hummingbird coming at a distance, very long distance, a hummingbird. And I was thrilled to see that. Then suddenly, it becomes many. Out of that one, it becomes many. And then, what happens? The bombing at Imphal. And the cantonment area, my home is there in Thangmeiban, just near that cantonment. And we ran inside the house and we hid ourselves in the trenches, which was dug inside every house at the time. Then we left our home in carts, balloon carts, and scattered. We went different parts of Manipur, different villages, we scattered. And for many years, up to 1944, that 44, 45, and it was a very difficult period. And many lost their near and dear ones. And I must confess, I also lost my parents. And that sort of happenings, that happened in 1942. And Imphal became famous as a battleground, rather the last battleground between Allied forces and Japanese. So whenever we say Imphal, that reminds, that particular war and those images come to our mind. And now today, when I see this Ekogi Imphal festival, there is very something, very another type of Imphal. And perhaps this will bring peace in this land, in this very disturbed state, mentally and physically very disturbed time. I am sorry to say this. This is reality. And I hope this is this particular event or this particular festival will help to bring peace in the state. Yes, I want to say something about International Film Festival, because international film festivals brought my films in the limelight, and with my films Manipur throughout the world, in many international film festivals, I had the opportunity of presenting my films. And a very big festival like Cannes, and then also very small type of film festival in Nantes. And this type of festivals, small festivals, are very important for us. In a very big festivals, we get lost. But in a small film festivals, we somehow we can have friendship and know each other and exchange our ideas. And so I think Manipur films, Ekogi Imphal Festival, this type of festival is very important for us. And I am very happy that this is organized here in Imphal. We created Manipuri dances and the theater, there are many dramatists and theater personalities in Manipur that everyone, like Ratan Thiam, like Kanhai Lal, that everyone knows. And so the film, somehow, we wanted to see film in the street, to make film in the street, but it was very expensive, it was a very difficult thing at the time. But we tried to do that and we made it. Then a particular film I made in 1981, this imagining theme, My Son, My Precious, by a Bolex camera, 16mm Bolex camera, unprofessional Bolex camera, by a friend of mine who was also a producer of this film, Ibol Sharma. This, and with 100 feet, only 100 feet long negatives, I mean 16mm negatives, we made that film, and then it was blown up to 35, and our beloved R.K. Nayarji told me that that is the first Indian film, I mean blown up from 16 to 35 in black and white. And that was released here, and that was a disaster. No one wanted to see the film, and actually, for the producer, it was something very, I mean, I must say, I don't even I don't want to remember even that, because for nearly screening for some days, it was thrown out. Then I promised myself that I will not make this type of film, I mean any feature film. And from 1981, I never made any feature films for any private producer. But I do make films financed by government, by Doordarshan, because, the loss doesn't matter. But this type of film I gave up making after imagining them. And this is something, I just wanted to share with you. Sometimes it happens in a very small state like Manipur. And this may happen to another, very smallly populated areas, or to a community who wanted to make a film. Don't get disappointed. This happens. It was very expensive at the time, cellular film. Now it is easy. And then after 10 years, after the decade, I made this Ishanu film. That is financed by Doordarshan. That was financed, so I could make it. And very interesting thing happens there. It was, imagining them also, it happens, it was selected fortunately, in Film Utsav. At that time, Indian IFI was known as Film Utsav, and it was discovered in Calcutta in 1982, and it was called Surprise of the Year. At that time, what happens, I had given up any, association with film, and also I didn't attend the award ceremony of the president, national award president, because I thought I'm giving up filmmaking. And also at the same time, I didn't go there in Calcutta. I didn't attend that festival there, because I wanted to say goodbye to filmmaking. But somehow, because at the time what happens, the film festivals are the only center, or only it is the media, through which the other film directors of other film festivals, they themselves or their representative come down to the festival and they select their films. Nowadays it is easier, because we have got internet. At the time we have to bring all those films in all those big boxes, and it will be screened there. And after that, what happens, many international film festival directors invited imagining them, and they refused to screen the film without director. Especially New York, Mancia, I think, yes. And these new films, new directors, new film in New York, the organizers, they said, we won't screen the film if the director is not there. So at the time, I was compelled to go there. Then after that, this getting award Grand Prix at Nantes in 1982 this imagining tape. After 10 years, I made this film, Ishano. And here another very interesting thing happens. In films, we are having two festivals, national film festivals and international film festivals in India. In National Film Festival, they made a division, two categories in feature film. That is, scheduled language films. I want to attract the attention of today's president, our chief secretary also, very interesting. In India, scheduled language films and non-scheduled language films. Mind you, in filmmaking, not in dances, not in theater, no. In film, this year, when my son was screened for competition, they have divided into the categories, and my film Ishanu was selected as the best of non-scheduled language films. Non-scheduled language film is the best. And the competition was amongst the films made in non-scheduled languages. Only one award was given there, and I got it, and I didn't have the chance of competing with the best, scheduled language films, and so that was the B class type of award was given to me. There is something, I'm not blaming anyone, but in this type of films and performing arts, if you divide, as per language, that I don't know how it happened. Even now, perhaps it is going on there. But at that time, I protested. I said, no, I won't take this festival, this award. Yes, it is okay. If you even divide into categories, that's okay. But there should not be only one award for the non-scheduled language films, and any film which is worth to get the award must be given this award. And so they agreed. And so they agreed from the time onwards, they begin to give awards to every, non-scheduled film, non-scheduled language films also. So I point out that when I go outside India, I represent India. But in India, I become a regional filmmaker. This is a very interesting thing that is happening in India. We are called regional filmmakers. Just in the beginning, it was introduced that Ibram Shyam Sharma, a Manipuri filmmaker, he is not only famous in Manipur, but also he is a filmmaker of India. As if Manipur filmmaker is not Indian filmmaker. I believe that India, any film made in Indian language is an Indian language. And so regional film and national film, and when I go outside, they say it is Indian filmmaker. I am Indian filmmaker. And I get awards as an Indian film. But in India, regional filmmakers. And so this region, my point is, I'm happy that I'm not against it. I'm very happy I'm a Manipuri filmmaker. That's okay. Because I'm making films in Manipuri. I belong to here, I'm rooted here. I'm making films in that is appreciated outside India also, everywhere also. But this type of small international film festivals is important because it is very difficult to compete all India basis for a very small state like Manipur. I had all the experience because this is my 50th year and I can tell you many stories about this. And I was never awarded the Swarna Kamal award, even now. I'm not getting any Swarna Kamal award in feature film. Of course, I may not be that good, or I'm not qualified for that in India. but I do get in outside India. And so, this type of small international film festival to give recognition to my, filmmakers of this region, or just like in Arunachal Pradesh or any other small state in northeastern state, even in Manipur, we are having more than 35 languages, dialects. Mind you, we are having 35 dialects. They will be making films. Definitely, they will be making very, very good films. And these good films will have their own places in the international film festivals organized here. And it will be very difficult for them to compete. There, the whole India and a very, I must say, big states making many films per year, and it might be difficult. So I am very happy today that we are having international film festivals here. And perhaps this type of division, scheduled and non-scheduled language films, perhaps this, this reflects some kind of division of the states in A category and B category. This mindset, because Manipuri dance is never recognized as B classical type of, all the Manipuri singings must be sung in Hindi or any other, major languages. No, we are singing in Manipuri languages. But it is recognized. But why so in film? If there is a silent film, I don't know what will the category of that. There are no language. And so perhaps this mindset, I'm very, very, very sorry to say this particular mindset sometimes works, it bulbs, it gets that light up to some persons on that level, highest level, and they say, this is A class state and the B class state also might be in that. And so perhaps I was asked that, because I have received, very sorry to say this, I have received so many awards in that, they say nearly 20 national awards so far. And in what categories, what genre, non-documentary, non-feature and non-feature. I made many non-feature films, and there is no division. Non-feature films, there is no division, there is no category in this way. But here in feature films, that is happening. And so, lastly, I think this particular moment, we are not normal. Manipur is not normal. Very sorry to say this. We are under stress. Just like in 1942, it is happening again here in Manipur. And so last night I couldn't sleep. I was thinking seriously, and my wife asked me, what happened to you? I said, no. I'm asking myself, is it the right time for film festival? There might be people who may say it is not the right time. We are not having any festival of songs, music, no. Even we're having so many problems. And I remember those days, small kids, we are far away villages, and I lost my parents, and I was remembering that this is happening here again in Manipur. So I'm sorry, just that was my reflection. But it is very much necessary, this type of small festival, and it is very much necessary for us. And this will give chances. And so perhaps these two type of thinkings, I don't know what is right or what is wrong at this moment, but I'm very happy that it is being celebrated in Manipur, and many people outside coming here, and may this type of B-class state and a A-class state, and division of this kind, because very sorry to tell you, in the Northeast, except Assam, we are all B states. And so, I mean, let there be no more division of these categories of films, and I hope everyone enjoy our films, and also my Isano will screen. Sorry, I must thank, this Isano was made in 1990, but this is very old film, but somehow in it is 2023 or 22, my film was screened here in MFSDC. The 35 mm, I have got a very good 35 mm print with me, and MFDC has got that projection. You may see that that machine, projector, very good condition projector. It was screened there on the day, and Shivendra from Bombay, he happens to be here. He is actually a student of P.K. Nair Saab, and I know him, P.K. Nair ji also. He appreciated me also in many, we met in many international film festivals, also other festivals. And Shivendra discovered this film, Ishana, and he with Sanju, and they restored this film. And expensive, very high expensive restoration that was done in Italy, and fortunately for us, I must say, that becomes now a classic film, and that was shown in Cannes classic section. And so I want to thank him very much. Unfortunately, he's not here. He's the person actually who made this the reborn. That is called Amuhan Pokpa. That is born again. This Ishano is born again. And please, I think Sanju, where is Sanju? And I want to thank him. And this is now a rebirth, because in Montreal they call this festival a Reborn Film Festival, Reborn, and it was shown there also. In many other festivals it was shown. And thank you. Perhaps I have taken much more time. Thank you again. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Pabung Siri Aribam Syam Sharma. Pabungi Punsigi Kongsat Atamu Kongsat ni. Pabungi Punsi Amadi Cinema. Pabungi Punsi Amadi Music. Mapa Leitaba Sangdam Nabayadaba. Quite purely saying a Saliba Dugi Kongsatuni, the Manipur Imana Pokpiba. Manipuri Queen of Pangjaba Quadigi Tanglaba, Asingba, Lan Amaharaka de Pabuni, as you told Limbirapa, Maraba from Gatambiba, Namquilitina, Pamu Tagachaba, Pondoxity.
Babung, your pioneering contribution have led the very foundation of Manipuri cinema, and we are really privileged to hear from you today, and wishing you good health and also many more blessings in the days to come. Thank you so much for gracing us today.
Segimatanga Tamzerbatomsi, felicitation to the non-fiction section juries, along with the Saman jury. Aduna Sida Saruk Yabikiba, Marway Baikai Kumazeriba, jury ani, the Saman jury, Miss Tangela Madvi, jury wena, Siri Dorin Wainam, Manipurdagi, jury wena Saruk Yabiba, Loinana, Saman jury wena, Suri Suprio Sen.
And to do the honor, would like to request our respected President of today's function, Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Shri Prasanth Kumar Singh, IAS. Sir. Ms. Tangela Madhavi, Non-Fiction Jury. Tangela Madhavi is an award-winning independent documentary filmmaker. She has made films for PSBT Films Division,
Majlis, Wipro, Netherlands and NHK, Japan. Tangila Madhavi has also taught documentary filmmaking at Sofia Polytechnic and been a documentary mentor for iDocs Documentary Resource Initiative, Documenta Imphal, and was on the selection committee for international documentary for Mumbai International Film Festival 2015.
Thank you very much for your coming, Ms. Tangila Madhavi, jury, non-fiction section. Next we have Sri Doreen Oinam. Sejalan kebirak ni berkongsi Manipur gi tanglaba documentary filmmaker ni, Silong base ahan bada dudagi filmmaking sangak pa, aduga matam sang ni film gi line da work to birak pa.
Oinam Doreen has more than 10 years of experience in documenting the arts and cultural practices of Northeast India. His films have been screened in a number of film festivals and have won multiple awards nationally and internationally.
Sigimatanda, we have, ladies and gentlemen, we have Sri Supriyo Sen, Chairman Jury of Non-Fiction Section.
Supriyo Sen, a leading Indian independent filmmaker, is renowned for documentaries like Way Back Home, Hope Dies Last in War, Vaga and Swimming Through the Darkness, as well as his acclaimed debut fiction Tangra Blues. His films have won 40 international awards at festivals including Berlin, Karlovy Vary, Krakow and IFFI, Goa.
Sigulunina, ngasigi thamjariba non-fiction section gi jury amadi chairman jury sing amadi chairman jury gi mapamda ikai khumnajibu chabagi thoram losinjare.
And it is now time to hear from our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, NIPR, Government of Manipur. The stage is yours, sir.
Seated on the dais on this Manipur state film of the second Ekoigi Imphal International Film Festival 2025, which has been organized by the Manipur State Film Development Society and Manipur State Film and Television Institute. The doyen of Manipuri cinema and winner of many national and international awards, and also the pride of our state, Sri Pabung Aribam Sham Sharma, who gave a wonderful speech. Literally, I was just listening to every word that he spoke and the issues that he had faced and the challenges that he had faced. It was indeed a wonderful speech to hear, Pabung. And the president of today's function, the Chief Secretary of the Government of Manipur, respected Sri P.K. Singh ji, Nasigi functions in Tinbiriba, invitees Pumnamak, invitees, the jury members who have come from outside, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. What can I speak more when Pabung Sham Sharma has spoken? He has spoken everything about cinema, he has spoken the importance of cinema, how it started in Manipur, the awards that are given in India, internationally, and the international awards. So I don't think it would be wise for me to speak about cinema. I'll just take 1-2 minutes because I think we're overshooting the time by at least an hour. All of us know that the impact that the film have on the society, on the culture of a community or a state or on any individual, I think it can bring about a lot of positive changes, and I'm sure many of the filmmakers here must be bringing about a lot of change through their cinema. And while I was just listening to Pabung Sham, a number of films which we have heard but which we did not get the chance to see. I'm sure if all of the, yes, some of the films have been restored. I'm sure if all of the films can be, restored in a very proper way, I think that would be a boon for the people of our state and many of the people who are really involved in the filmmaking. And one thing which I would like to flag here, it's which we have a lot of issues with the state from the state government as well as central government, because since we have the commissioner of IPR, who is also the commissioner of art and culture, and since we have the chief secretary, and what Sanju has just said, many of the film festivals or anything that's related to film, we do get the sponsor from the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. And so many a times, me as a IPR minister, we do write letters to the Information and Broadcasting Minister because they told us that it should not come from the Art and Culture Department. I think this is something I would like to request the Chief Secretary to please look into it so that we get more help from the center and to be able to take our state also forward in terms of the this filmmaking and the cinema industry as well. Look, film is something, nowadays I think many of the awards that are won, I was just seeing it's a Hindi movie, of course, that Lapata Ladies. That's become a famous movie, and I think it's got many awards in that. I mean to say, what happens at the grassroots and what happens, example, 12 Fail and all that. So these films are making things that is, making it's become quite popular, I should say. And I think the language that is spoken in a film, that does not matter, because we remember even old, ladies and all people who do not understand the dialect in the movie, but when they see the picturization and the way they act, mittagi people, they start, they get emotional and they understand the story, and this is all about that how the actors and the actresses, they put up their performance. It's something really amazing that, they could convey what they want to say through their acting skills. And this is something just wonderful to see. And well, for that matter, even the kids, when they see the television or any film which they do not, in a language they do not understand, they tend to catch the story, and they are able to correlate the matter in that film, or a serial as well. So that shows what acting can bring about. So I mean to say, it doesn't have that language barrier is never there. So it's really wonderful to be in this international film festival that's being held here for the second time in Imphal. And lastly, I would like to wish all the best for this. I think it's finishing on the 9th. I wish the organizers a grand success, and may all the people who are involved with this gain and also share the knowledge in this. And once again, for all the invitees who have come up from outside, I wish you all have a great stay here and take back home all the good memories. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Masigi Torungi, JPS Wina, Lengson Biriba, Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, Honorable Minister, Health and Family Welfare and IPR, Manipur. Hodok Chariba Festival Gi, Thorum Simari Linani, Shadu Pobiba, Duga Sinjaribagi, Punamaxi, Yang Biraga, Yamna honestly, Maruibo from Sing Tambirambang Quelitana, Chief Guest for Tagacho Pondosari.
We now move on to the felicitation of the fiction juries, whose insightful and unbiased evaluation has been crucial in recognizing the most outstanding works of fictional cinema. We have Srimati Ritu Serene, jury, Sri Romi Mete, jury, and the jury chairman, Sri Sushant Mishra. First, we'd like to request Ritu Serene, fiction jury. Hairiba ikai khumnajariba jury sing asida ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯜ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯂꯨꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
May I take the privilege to call upon Srimati Ritu Sarin, fiction jury. The ladies and gentlemen, would you please give your warm welcome to Srimati Ritu Sarin.
Ritu Sarin is an Indian filmmaker and artist based in Dharamshala. She has been making films for more than 30 years. Her work includes several award-winning documentaries, video installations, and 2 narrative features. Her documentary, The Sun Behind the Clouds 2009, won the Vaclav Havel Award at the One World Film Festival in Prague. Her debut feature film, Dreaming Lasha 2005, was executed, produced by Jeremy Thomas and Richard Carey.
Next we have, ladies and gentlemen, Sri Romi Meitei. Would you please give your big hand for Romi Meitei, Manipur Gi Tang Laba from Macaroni of International Repute, ladies and gentlemen. Ngasigi Thorum Se Lakpire Aduna Fiction Section Sigi Jury Wina Sarugi Abiba, Pilambu Yamdo Kupna, Evaluate Tobiba, Aduga. Film Kanba, Sida, so what of Dang Yabiba, Nankolitana, Romi Meitei, Taxable Fondosari.
A national award-winning filmmaker, the recipient of prestigious FIPRESCI and NATPEC awards, has also received several Manipuri State Film Awards. Thank you so much for your generous contributions. And last but not the least, we have Shri Sushant Mishra, Fiction Jury Chairman. Sushant Mishra graduated from the Film and Television Institute of India in film direction and over 35 years has directed notable number of films which include Nischal Badal, Vishwa Prakash Dharini Samarpanam, etc. And his films are marked by austerity of form, explore the conflict between instinct and reason, relationship, individual, and broad philosophical and spiritual ideas with a meditative eye.
Thank you very much for your coming, Sri Sushant Mishra, Chairman Jury, Fiction Section, ladies and gentlemen.
And it is now our privilege to felicitate the creative minds behind the second Ekoigi Imphal International Film Festival logo designed by Robin Wahingbam, Hazarimayum Vedanta, and Thaunaujam Daya, and would like to request our respected President, Sir, to do the honor once again.
Robin Wahingbam, yamna sakna raba renowned artist ni, magi creation se koina tongan ba chowa function kaya da ubo function kwai den chowa shipment ti English ng masamapan marifutara mapan da National Games Imphal da pangthokpu matam da madugi mascot man sembi kibani sige damakta Robin Wahingbam ge yacho. Yes, kubang tahun kubiu, please, ladies and gentlemen, aduga magi team. Matang-matang, lensin berna ba, Priya, please.
We'd like to request Hazarimayum Vedanta, popularly known as Guru, and also would like to request Thaunaujam Daya. The artistic vision has given this festival its distinct and meaningful identity. We are truly honored to recognize their talent and dedication.
Dayagi Presto Company, aduga Thangal Bazar de Leiba. Sida makal pudimaki aikoi hek shining ba logo dagi hauraga whatever aduna screen printing ki kari ki punamaki kudongja punama phangma phadi tang loba yamna mai pal loba entrepreneur mani dayadum thagse phong dokseri. Sir P.K. Mishra, ngasigi President Wena, Lensin Beba, felicitation gi Thorumda Sarugya Beba, Unkalitan Tagasu Kondokseri.
Thank you very much. And we now have the honor of inviting our President for today's ceremony, Shri P.K. Singh, IAS Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, to deliver the presidential speech.
Good evening, everyone. Chief guest of today's function, Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, Minister for Health and Family Welfare and IPR. beloved Pabong, guest of honor for today's function, Sri Aribam Sham Sharma, distinguished guests, filmmakers, film enthusiasts, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, thank you to the Manipur State Film Development Society and the Manipur State Film and Television Institute for inviting me. I deem it a privilege to be here. I would just like to share something personal. I've been a great fan of Manipuri sports, art and culture, and Manipuri food. Yamun Nimai is here. He introduced me to the sports persons of the state. I remember 1994 when Dr. Jamani introduced me to the art and culture. There was a time when I was trying to become a student also and trying to learn something. Couldn't, of course. And of course, the Manipuri food. I lost 10 kgs in the last 4 years in Delhi. I'm kind of dreading that in the next 1 year, 1.5 years, I'll probably gain all that back again. It was a real pleasure to listen from Pabong Sham Sharma. I just asked Sanju that I think he's just turning or has just turned 90 years old. Now the details with which he spoke and the kind of everything he could recount so vividly, it just speaks volumes about what he would have done in his time. And hats off to you. And let me also, in the same vein, promise to you that I'll take up this matter of schedule and non-schedule with the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. I find you totally correct. And this is not the era for schedule, non-schedule or this kind of a differentiation. For sure I'll do it. When Sanju met me about last week for this function, I asked him how much have you got for this function? How big an event are you planning? He said that international guests are not coming because of the condition here. But then maybe next time we'll do a much more grander and a much more bigger program. Because Manipuri art and culture, Manipuri cinema deserves this kind of a festival. So last Monday I met the Secretary Information and Broadcasting. I asked him to double his contribution and he agreed. So that is the enthusiasm with which they are also looking at. He also promised to me that you go back, you develop a small team. There is a lot of help that can be done from the central government, from the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. I have just done some initial work. I would expect Sanju to take the lead and let's do all these things what the Honorable Chief Guest mentioned, that let us all preserve all our films. Let us have more films being supported for production. Let us even call film companies to come and maybe film in our beautiful state. All those things are required. It is sad again, as Pabong Sharma mentioned twice or thrice, that today Manipur is going through a tough time. But let me tell you, the timing of the festival is perfect. This is the time I think we must need to take these steps ahead, shed all that whatever has happened in the past, take baby steps towards ushering in peace again in this beautiful state. I would just say that next year, if I'm around, we'll make sure that we'll have a lot of international people also from outside, and we'll make it into a big event. I'm sure of that. Thanks again, all of you, for inviting me. It was a real pleasure sitting here and interacting and listening to all the good things. It was indeed a pleasure, and thank you for the organizers. Thanks so much.
ngasi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ 2025 ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯒꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯔꯦꯃꯣꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯆ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯄꯤ ꯀꯦ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Thank you very much. And now moving forward, we have Board of Thanks by our respected Chairman, Film Forum Manipur, Sri Laimiyum Surjakanta Sarma. Ngasigi pangthok chariba hokdokpagi thauram asigi thagat warol Board of Thanks pibiranabagi damakta nolukna hangachari ekai khumna jariba Chairman, Film Forum Manipur, Oja Laimiyum Surjakanta Sharma.
Laimiyum Surjakanta Sarmagi Word of Thanks loijarba matungda ngasigi thamjariba cultural extravaganza tongan ba Manipurgi naat ki oiba phajarba masak tak liba thorum sing lejari duna mayam hariba thorum sing simeng tabina banurjari aiga nolona hangajari kosinjari
lengjan biriba pumno pu ama muktade kong nonjari Borop thanks ki tanjala pasi yamna pamuzei yamna tangna Manipur ahamba street le horoduba International Film Festival si Manipur yamna taure adu handaki International Film Festival si top ahamba hautopa competition section jawba adugumba pokpadagi ngaijarpa numito ngasi phangmane aisu alamangi koi Gurudeva Lengsen Beri tumin jeraga ai film line da aisu 50 years sujere tangla ngairakpa numit asi thuna logi tore sigi damukta hamba Borop thanks ki mangoina na inoi to phondok cheri Manipur State Film Development Society amadi Manipur State Film and Television Institute anina kusam naraga film forum na sumnadagi support tawjaraga second edition aikogi Impal International Film Festival ngasi digi hore masi future da akoina lei tupraba matung bawda sanagi kali irigal lehrodu numit amani ngasi sigumlaba Pramel function sigi dai the Lengsen Biriba ngasi chief guest ikai khomnujari ba Sri Sapam Ranjan Singh Minister Health and Family Welfare amadi IPR Minister ikai khomnubuchari aduga Gurudeva ngasi special guest Develop Manipur Cinema mingwena hangachare Sri Aribam Sam Sharma Pabung punci nungsang bigo pabung ena hautorok pani hautopi matung nina ngasi pabung na maya itangwa da pambi dana International Film Festival competition section jawab award jawab best film jawab tu haure mapangi degi leng pilak pain baiti sing guest mayam ikai kumna busari lona na yamna tawai yauna festival si wena bahone biriba tawai yauna hone biriba ngasi ki preside to biriba Manipur ki ikai kumnajiriba Sri PK Singh Chief Secretary hanan ikai kumnabusari thagatsari thawai yawi badaki hawdokpada yawi sumaina sungsoi soidana khangoroi sahi ani ni ki tawbani International Film Festival akoi ki Impal si yargadi sahi amada tension biu aduga earmark to biraga sahi magi International Film Festival mukhoy gido sel changbani mathang de 100 foreign delegate chingchi bijagi karigi yamna ta budu laktre adu India ki mayamama dilangbi rei respected sing mathang de sungje shodana foreign country degi delegate sing lakadu ne duna earmark ta tu ani degi hawrga 3 crore pau sip ta ger bak ta sochoi choi dan kai tho thambina ba request sojari honorable sim yawi gadum ni adu ngasi si aruba lebak ki thabak leibina mapan da sapi gre honorable sim yaro magadi makhong ko laga hetai di mayam gi mamang da lautok piramo mathang gi di akoi chahi gi wain wonsel ani International Film Festival che lupa crore ani natraga ahum mai pipi de yaro ena mayamna witness waraga idin jawra ke tawri adu tangai padana honorable minister Sir Ranjan Yauri adu Sir Chief Secretary Sir PK Singh Yauri ba sigi responsibility si ani gi mafam da sinajari soi soidana CM da pawdam bagini haidana Sir Ranjan na aigi bor thanks si makhat chathadring da si pawdam Lengsen biraga madugi responsibility do haidi Chief Minister tambagi responsibility do luxury gena amto lauthok piyo please responsibility
City at the force ngangan dari ne tawrisi ai pau tamjare ge da was very sorry tamjare
고맙다 좀 밤밤 젤레디 힙함 젤레 버시 야우드르디 타박 더보야 돼 아도 참전자게 버럽 탱수업들 락자게 마탐 라우저로이 아이지 코비드 백신 냠나 카푸드기 미츠 우기드레 바바 토이드리 여지 아도 마양각 비고 이시 기던 족 또 하이디 페스티벌 인터내셔널까지 시수 엔터테인먼트 loinamo songalaga tawradi akhar nokpa khoppa ba lawba mathau tai actor mo natra ka sungam na bai mayam khona jara ke nok na ba festival asidida yamna chawna thodang lobi basing amang tang thum singtha dan leradi loibu khamban naroi yamna tawre manipur da labor department ayamba na festival ji oina ba hona bidana ikai kunji manipur ki chief minister gi mai gi haitare yam hona bi Chelam Changi International Festival si paisa khawjaw ma le ga to budi natab ni masi ngamna ba honorable chief secretary na yam chok ba thodang labi siam na lobi ado ministry of information and broadcasting government of India na mating pire lona na mayam ma pajarake festival ji to ba oina ba hola ba matam tengbang birak pasing National Film Development Corporation of India NFDC tengbang pire Delhi Tourism and Transportation Development Corporation matang dam haijrake tension jerake Information and Culture and Affairs Government of Tripura government diki su tengbang Tripura Film and Television Institute Department of Home Manipur government ki Home Department na su support and tengbang si PB thagat ponglok seri Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Government of Manipur Department of Transport Manipur Government gini Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Government of Manipur ni sisu Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Government of Manipur Jani Biswanath for sponsoring 3 awards haibadi akhoi master class ki kari gi mayam am lei sidaji da award ahungi sandang pibiri makhoina Jani Biswanath Moin sponsoring to virak pani film patching da karida award ahum khak lei masi achoba huge amount masi moina pibirak pani network services kasampat makhoi su sponsored to virei Siza Hospital Research Center yam chawa support to virei under ki langiba international film festival jida adiki babna health care and hospitality industry ki magi diksi yam chawba support to virei lona na chit akoi gi lebiri ba ngasi gi volunteer mayam akoi gi festival ti sat litna festival gi jasilitna sembi chongbiri besano inau mayam amadi mass communication university gi student sing aduga film pattern is lebiri ba akoi gi film maker sing artist gi technician gi film producer director gi mayam puno mangna mateng pidna mateng ai di physically mateng bibiduna sukchawba festival ba India da quite chawa festival se ye concept ai wakhal ne gi thought ni International Festival of India Goa gi festival yam chawa festival ni Bengal da Kolkata gi lady Kerala gi lady adu ba khu chu chaw thok se pio chu pikna ta sillasu screen marida film festival as pangtok kadorim neba se yam jaw tok se manipur da ujik cinema turi ba matam neba cinema hall thong lo ba matam sida kedori Manipur State Film Development Society amadi Manipur State Film and Television Institute ani pullaga pangdo iba akhoi Impal International Film Festival season 2 se screen marida turi ba amba Manipur State Film Development Society ki auditorium lamenda laiba tanda police amadi kawa da laiba Qnex cinema adu Chandragiti theater multi theater haitare palace compound le ahum jida uturim ne masi inona pa samna to mingon da haiba natte choktok se akhoi mai pak pani aham bada sukyam na mai pa gadi honorable minister yaupire chief secretary yaupire mathang dadi hena pakani harga mai pakpo re si lengbi ri pun mo puthaga chara ga attention jage. Thank you all.
Sri L. Sujukanta Surma, Chairman, Film for Manipur. I got Sujukanta Sarmagi, Mapam Dagini, Lapiri Bukai Punamaki Mapamda, word of gratitude, Punapu, Tagat Warul Tambirami, Tagasu Pundukseri.
And may I now request our respected dignitaries on the dais to proceed off stage as we prepare for the upcoming cultural performances. Thank you so much for your presence and for your support.
Ngasigi cultural program Thamjariba cultural extravaganza. She in the purely the line of ethnic communities, rich cultural heritage and is nostalgia, manahajage, Pisharul Jagoi, Kabui Jagoi, folk fusion presentation by Sampaben, Hairiba, Tungan ba cultural item sing si Adongidamak, Yamna, Tamusheng Namaru in Langja Toromni, Hairiba Toromsi, Swedenamak, Miang Tabu, Yang View, Yangsen the Nice Hashagi Poplan Batam Karadanga, Lebiko have open Sinjari Bigi Market in City.
Yes, as we celebrate cinema today, we also honor the vibrant cultural heritage of Manipur, the mesmerizing Fisarol Jagoi, the energetic Kabui Jagoi, and the soulful contemporary magic of Sampa Ben. These performances remind us that art is a language that speaks across generations, connecting us to our roots and to the world. So we will be presenting all these beautiful and mesmerizing performances shortly. So please be with us. Thank you so much.
Sigi Ahanba Thamjariba cultural item si Pisarol Jagoi, Leanda Folk and Classical Academy, Nagamapal, Nagamapal Leriba, Jagoi Institute, Sigi, Artisingna, Pangtopigadova Kudur Tambigadova, Jagoini, Pisarol Jagoi Matang the right apama, Pibirapa, Tentakna, Paziri. Pisarol Haidiba Jagoi si Seloi Langmai Chingda, Nongpok Ningtawa Amadi Pantwebi Ani Unaduna. Maihorolgi Wari Ningsingduna, Hairang Lerang, Chamin Naraba Matung. Pantwebi Mana, Koino Mataro Singaloinana, Tingbai Pam Haiduna, Lasing Lay Butaraga, Lerang Ma Bulok Laga, Langla Naiduna, Zari Pi Sakibagi Mong Matau, Logduna. Semjaba Jagoi Makalni, Hairiba Jagoesi Leanda Folk and Classical Academy Artising na Upigadori. Ahanba cultural item sigi Kudoloina, Lapidi Bukaipun Makima Punda, Lantokchege, Ming Tabisi.
ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ 2025 ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯅꯣꯜꯂꯨꯛꯆꯔꯤ. We are all set to kickstart the cultural performances, which is being organized in connection with the opening ceremony of the second edition of Aikoigi Imphal International Film Festival 2025. So we'd like to request everyone to please gather inside the auditorium. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, the first performance we have is Fisharol Jagoi. Fisharol Jagoi is a unique traditional dance of Manipur that beautifully showcases the art of weaving through graceful movements. This dance form symbolizes the deep connection between Manipuri culture and the craft of weaving, an integral part of the state's heritage. As the dancers perform, their synchronized gestures reflect the intricate process of weaving, turning threads into fabric with elegance and rhythm. Through this performance, we celebrate the rich traditions, artistry, and skilled craftsmanship of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Fisharol Jagoi.
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯆꯔꯩ ꯐꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯇꯥꯅꯕ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯣ ꯑꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯊꯧ ꯃꯄꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯣꯝ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯥ ꯆꯔꯩ ꯐꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯔꯣ ꯑꯣ ꯆꯔꯩ ꯐꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯅꯔꯣ ꯑꯣ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯇꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯗ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯨ ꯑꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯊꯧ ꯃꯄꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯣꯝ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯥ ꯆꯔꯩ ꯐꯤ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯆꯔꯩ ꯐꯤ ꯂꯩꯌꯩ ꯊꯥꯔꯁꯦ
ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯔꯥ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯁꯔꯤ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯡꯅꯕ ꯁꯔꯤ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯔꯤꯕꯨ ꯐꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯆꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ
haraure haraure sibu thoina harau sidagi hena nungaiba leibara leibanira leibara leibanira
Leander, folk and classical academy Nagambapalgi, artist in Pangtokpa Pazaraba, not Kui Jagoi Fis Harol Jagoi, Lensin Bidiba Kwai Punamakima Punda, Kudol Tamjere, Sigimatanda Muk Tamjeri.
Keet Lam, Dance of Cricket by the artists of Ragailong Cultural, Song and Dramatic Union. Keet Lam is a Kabui Naga folk dance fondly performed by the youngsters Badek with colorful attire during the traditional festivals. In the Kabui Naga dialect, Keet means cricket and Lam simply means dance. Cricket, as it is aware, is a small brown jumping insect that makes a shrill sound by rubbing its front wings together. Keet Lam is thus a dance form inspired by the flamboyancy and gaiety of cricket as the nature expresses its full gesture after the dawn pour of monsoon rain. Imitating the cricket, fluttering fingers backside by the female dancers is the distinctive characteristic of Keet Lam. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Keet Lam by the artists of Ragailong Cultural Song and Dramatic Union.
Chulam Hazaraba Kabui Puruki Nat Ki Jagwe Hausi Kudol Tamjaru Matunda Ngasigi cultural item gi Kwadige na Nungaraba Tamjariba Tauram Sampa Ben Sigi Mipam Hongbaya than a Pazara performance Kudol Tamjaragani Manipur ki folk fusion music band namo ediba Sampa band ing lisingani supna tara marida linkat ki ba band ni magi connotation asambada soraren performance of Maitei Mayek haibasina Sampa band recognize tauri magi chuba tungan be unique feature maharagadi on created local made musical instruments sing season naduna performance bibasina Toduk Hindukna Magul Heliba, Maming Chalaliba, Ben Sigi, Fishermani, Sigi outcome winner, Equina, Ningsing the name was just respect to Wumatumda, Miss Nalika Quigan be, Nang Wari Liu, Kaleida, Kalei, Habnishing Buff Hazaraba, Shishing a sea, Sampa Bengi, Masterpiece Natani, Hairiba, Angapuna Talaba, Pazabana Pulaba, a schematic performance Pibumatumda, Ayeng Ba, Obibabuk Singi, Tamoi Shumalagadaba, Benny Sampa Ben, Housing Lokachari, Lapidi Bakwai Punamaki Mapumda, Kudol Tamjari Loinina. Nasigi inaugural celebration function to Misiga Marilenina, Equina Tamjariba, opening film Ishano, Hariba film si Asukimatik Maming Chalaba Duga, Tungan Bag International Award Mayamama. Credit Dogdana Leriba film ni, Hadwe film si Aikoina Hanana Lautok Saraba Tamjariba, screen Punamakta, Uchanabagi, Sam Saba, Punamak Loidana, Lazare, Aduna Hozik Sampa Bengi, Thorum Seglo Sinjarapu Matamda, film Interest Lebiba, film Yang Bigaduriba, film Lovers, Lapidu Kwai Punamakna, Sungsoi Swidana, Hariba is now Isano film, opening film si Ming Tabu, Hibawapum si Lapidu Kwai Punamakim from the Tamjari.
As a special highlight of today's opening ceremony, we are proud to present the digitized format of the iconic Manipuri film Ishano, a cinematic gem that has left a lasting impact on audiences worldwide. This timeless masterpiece will be screened across 4 different halls, that is Manipur State Film Development Society's Auditorium Hall, Chandakirti Auditorium Hall, Humex City Center, and Tanthapolis Cinema. And yes, we encourage you all to be part of this special screening and immerse yourselves in the rich storytelling of Manipuri cinema. Do stay with us throughout the festival as we continue to showcase an exceptional lineup of films from across the globe. Up next, we present a captivating folk fusion performance by the talented Sampa Band. Blending the timeless essence of traditional Manipuri folk music with contemporary sounds, this performance brings a fresh and dynamic energy to our cultural roots. Through their unique fusion of melodies and rhythms, Sampa Band beautifully bridges the past and the present, offering a musical experience that resonates with both tradition and modernity. Sit back and enjoy the soulful journey through music.
Jake, Jake, one, Jake. One. One.
Hello, 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 check, check, hello. Hello, 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 check, hello, check, 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 hello. palangedana sana pundi khut pai hiden tapham pangbani ikong thana oibana lai jamati leiramde thawai yaudra hakjang oi chai jing yot kon taram thân
Thank you everyone for the day one of Aikoiki Imphal International Film Festival. We'll be back with day 2, day 3, and day 4, the closing ceremony, with lots and lots more of this cultural extravaganza that we have. So tomorrow we see you again here at 4 p.m. We have Imabe Dabati Laurembam, we have Ruben Masangwa, we have Sori Senjam and more performing tomorrow. And the day after, we have surprises from Ukrul, and we have Mang performing for the first time ever. Thank you and see you tomorrow.